Hello and welcome to episode 4 of the weekly workshop vlog. Today's episode is going to focus on tools, a couple of designer make business things and some special features as well. Alright, so we're going to start off with the wood turning aspect of designer make. So I've written a couple of notes on this piece of paper so I can try not to muddle up my words this time. I'm just going to read this part. So I've got a lack of ability to sharpen my tools at the moment. So this will result in only a few videos coming out on wood turning within the next month. That will be the Shoshugibon bowl, a pallet wood bowl, and a sapele and walnut bowl. So basically what's happened is I usually sharpen my tools on this belt sander, but this grit's now too high, so it's meant to be 150 grit, but it's probably like a couple of thousand now. It's so fine. And then I've also got this 80 grit belt, but this doesn't work because it's far too coarse. So what am I going to sharpen them on? I have some sandpaper. That's not really ideal. So I need to get a bench grinder essentially. So I'm going to buy one of those, and in about a month or so I will be turning again. Hoping it will only be about 3 weeks, but we will see. But in the meantime, I've still got those 3 videos to upload, which would hopefully take me to 2 weeks-ish of wood turning videos. So that should all be fine. And if you stay tuned, at the end of this video I will put a wood turning bonus clip of me turning a candle holder, which is here from about a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, it did crack because it's green wood, but I really enjoyed turning it. It's only a very short video, it's about a minute or two long, a minute and a half long, something like that. So hopefully you'll enjoy seeing that at the end of this video. In the next workshop vlog, I have some incredibly exciting news to share with you about my upcoming wax finish business. Now, I've been working really hard on this for the past month or two, and I'm really excited to share this with you. I had made this wax finish, but I've taken it a step further now and will start to produce a proper wax finish which you will be able to buy hopefully in a month or so. So I'm really excited to see that happen, and I hope you guys will be looking forward to seeing that as well. Despite me not being able to actually turn anything for just under a month or so, I have glued up tons of bowl blanks. Here's one I glued up earlier. This is a tiny pallet wood bowl. I've got a couple gluing up over there and some more to glue up here. So I'll insert a little clip there of me gluing and cutting some bowl blanks up. In the meantime, I'll be doing an Instagram live at 1,000 followers, although there will be another live this Sunday, which will be the 14th of June 2020. So if you'd like to watch that, please come along on Instagram, and it should last an hour and a half, something like an hour. You can just come in, have a quick look at what we're getting up to. I'll probably do a Q&A on that as well. So yeah, as I said, I have had a week from YouTube doing some other things, so obviously that's meant there hasn't been any videos on the channel, but it's given me a chance to reconsider what I want to do with the channel and where I would really like to take it. So I'm going to be resuming my normal posting schedule as of next Monday, which will be the 15th of June 2020. I hope you look forward to finding out who won the 100 subscriber giveaway. That special video should be out before this workshop vlog if I got it filmed in time. If not, it will be on Tuesday. We'll see what happens, but hopefully it should have been out before this video came out. There may be an extra item given away as well, if I can get it all produced in time. You can probably work out what it's going to be, but I'm not going to give any more clues to that. Also, Tuesday's video should be the Shoshugibon bowl, which I did about a week or two ago, and that was really, really good fun. Probably one of my favourite projects I've done. Definitely a challenge using the blowtorch to get the charred finish on the outside, but I really, really enjoyed that. Thursday will be the sapele and walnut bowl, and Sunday will be a live video over on Instagram, which will mostly be a Q&A as I spoke about earlier. So feel free to put any questions you have on this YouTube video, and I'll just reply to them saying I've added it to the list of Q&A questions, and they'll get answered on Sunday's video. If you'd rather ask me the questions on Instagram, you can DM me on Instagram at designermake.yt, and I'll also add those to the Q&A list for Sunday's live stream. I really can't wait to see what happens with that live stream and see what kind of questions you guys have. On a side note, I want to talk to you about wood turning live streams. So I've learned an absolutely incredible amount from Martin Sabin Smith. So I just thought I'd tell you about his channel very quickly. So he does live streams on his channel, which are absolutely awesome, and I really like his videos. And he will be doing another turning live stream tomorrow, which is the 9th of June 2020. That's the Tuesday. So check that out, as he is a seriously talented turner, and I absolutely love his content. So here's the clip of me turning the green wood candle holder. I hope you'll enjoy this little clip. And apart from that, all I've got to say is thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ask any questions in the comments section. See you on Tuesday for a project video.